How to get free traffic from Quora questions and answers. There are plenty of different ways to get free traffic to your website, and a lot of strategies that come highly recommended by the most successful bloggers and webmasters. How do you choose? Simple. You don't. You do them all. If only a few work, then great. If they all work, then even better. You really have nothing to lose as long as you're always providing value and you never give Google a reason to think you're spamming or trying to manipulate the system. In this presentation, I'm going to give you one more simple strategy you can use: answering questions on Quora. How it works. Quora is a site where users can ask questions and get answers. It works very similarly to Yahoo Answers. The good thing about that is that it allows anyone to post an answer and then displays that answer for everyone to read. The top answer will be the one that is rated as correct or as most useful. And this is where you come in as a webmaster or blogger. All you need to do is to post answers to questions and then follow up with a link to your website as the source or as a recommendation for further reading. The benefits. The great thing about this strategy is that it costs you nothing and requires very little time investment. Unlike writing a blog post, answering a question will take you just a few minutes at most, and you don't need to think about things like structure, phrasing, or formatting. Just write an honest answer and move on to the next one. Better yet, these answers actually hold a fair amount of sway with Google, and will sometimes even rise to the top of Google's search results. That means you don't only get direct traffic from all the people on Quora who saw the answer, you also get it from anyone who searches a similar question on Google. If you answer a question that a lot of people have, then, this can potentially result in a huge influx of direct traffic and a big boost to your SEO thanks to that link. How to get the most from Quora. To get the most from this, you need to make sure that your answers are genuinely useful and accurate. That way, you will be most likely to be voted up, and you'll also be able to build your authority so that people start to think of you as someone who knows their stuff. And if there are no questions on any given day, just post a few of your own.